Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Come test drive the 2014 LaCrosse. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, touch-sensitive controls, one-touch windows, 4 power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.